Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for March and it is a special edition, a glossy box. Special edition in that instead of a normal pink box that we get, it comes in this really cute little bag. This is gorgeous. All the products are inside, which I'll show you. And yeah, you just tie it up like that. And there you go, you've got a floppy little tie-up bag. It's got waterproof lining as well. And here's a sneak peek of the products. You might not be able to see. No, what's that? That's a mask. Right then, I haven't had a proper look yet. There's something that smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I know what it is, I've just spotted it. It's a hand cream. That is so, so nice. Right, there's no QR code. So I'll just have a look to see if I've had any information from Glossybox. This is a PR box. I do have my own paid for subscription as well. It's downstairs. It arrived this morning. So if you're not already following me over on Instagram, I post up like daily deals, new releases and things like that in my stories. But then on my feed, I do little mini reviews, little mini unboxings, and I sometimes do some giveaways as well. And yeah, so I'll be putting my Glossybox March box up for a giveaway in the next couple of days. So this month's box has a value of £60. And yeah, that's all the information I can give you. The cost of the subscription is £13.50 a month, and that includes shipping. I do have a refer a friend code, which will entitle you to get your first box for £8.50. I'll pop it up on the screen and also pop it down there as well. Each box has a minimum value of £50 and it always contains 5 beauty items. Sometimes we do get an odd freebie. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. You'll find links to the subscription and codes. You'll find it all listed down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, including any giveaways I've got currently running. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside. I'll just show you in more detail about this bag then, now that I've taken the products out. It's a cord bag with a Glossybox logo, and yeah, that's what it looks like. There's no like Velcro or anything, you just tie it like that. It looks like a hair turban, doesn't it? Alright then, let's start with the smelliest product, and it is gorgeous. This is Mitchell & Peach English Growers. It's an English leaf luxury hand cream, 60 mils. You've probably heard this story before, especially if you've been a long time subscriber. But back when I first started YouTube many years ago, a couple of months into starting, I got picked for Glossy of the Month from Glossybox because they liked my unboxing on YouTube, and I was offered the chance to go to London to meet them all in their office and make my own little beauty box. I could choose whatever products I wanted to put in there, and I chose the perfume version of this hand cream. If you love the smell of cut grass, you will love this. That's what it smells like to me. Oh, it's just so gorgeous and fresh. I love it. It feels nice too. I don't think I've ever tried a hand cream from them. Blended with pure essential oils from the Mitchell estate, this hand cream contains vitamin E, shea butter and English honey. But yeah, it just smells like gorgeous, freshly cut grass. Yeah, no, I like that. Pop that in my handbag so I can smell it. Yeah, lovely. Right, we have got Euflabs. This is Blemish Dots, soothing and protecting visible blemish treating patches. There's 32 in there. Let's get it out and show you. These little patches are great. I've used many different ones from different brands. So pop them over your spot. They contain ingredients to help diminish the spot, reduce inflammation. I haven't tried these ones though. I think it's a Greek brand, but they're made in Korea. Anyway, we got some spots there, spot dots. What is this? We got Jekka Black. This is a brow gel. It's called Brow Seal, and it's an eyebrow gel. Cruelty-free and vegan. It's a nice little brush there to grab hold of your eyebrows. Let's see how tacky it is. Yeah, no, that feels like it could be a really good one. I'm quite fussy with eyebrow gels. I haven't been using it for the last year or so because my eyebrows are microbladed. but my microblading is starting to fade slightly now. I do like adding a bit of pencil in amongst my microblading just to like freshen it up. I am starting to use some eyebrow gel as well just to like fluff up my brows, fill them in a little bit more. Oh, I instantly go to sniff. What is wrong with me? No, there's no smell. And you wouldn't imagine an eyebrow gel to have a scent, would you? But yeah. Checker Black eyebrow gel there. We've got Rodial. This is salicylic acid pore refining cleanser to lift and illuminate. And there is 20 mils there. No information on the back there, but salicylic acid is great if you've got blemish prone skin, oily skin, so it declogs pores, gently exfoliates, and yeah, it just helps with oil production on the skin. But I'll just have a look to see if there's more information in the email I got. No, just prices. So this cleanser is worth £10. This eyebrow gel is full size and apparently it's Molly May's favourite and it retails for £14. The Youth Lab Blemish Dots are worth £4. The Mitchell and Peach hand cream is worth £20. And then our last item, we've got Give the Malala Beauty, and this is a cream blush, worth £12. Oh, I like the colour. There, what's that little bit? Let's feel. There, you've seen it before me. It's nice. Let's blend it in. Blend it out a bit. Let's see. Is it buildable? Well, it looks nice there. Yeah, that is a pretty colour. It is Give Them Lala Beauty and the shade is We Don't Know Her. So yeah, so we got a cream blush there. And I forgot how much that was worth now. And it's worth £12. Or retails of £12. So there you go, those are all the products inside this month's March glossy box. Comes in this little bag. We've got salicylic acid cleanser. We have got Molly May's favourite eyebrow gel. We have got Youth Lab's Blemish Dots. We've got a cream brush by Give Them Lala. And then lastly, we've got Mitchell and Peach, gorgeous, cut grass smelling hand cream. Well, there you go. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving your box? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I subscribe or shan't I? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.